My favorite meal of the day is breakfast, and the most perfect breakfast is a soft poached egg. And recently I discovered the coolest way to make it because it's normally in a pot and the water and the stirring. Watch this, you won't believe it. 1 egg, crack, always on a flat surface, that way you don't get shell wherever you're headed. 1 egg. Then you're going to carefully add water to the top of the egg. This needs to be a microwavable bowl. Carefully add water to the top of the egg because you just want to cover the yolk. I don't know about you, but I've exploded a few yolks in a microwave. It's not pretty to clean up. And then here's the part that you're going to need to experiment a little bit. You're going to start, my microwave takes 50 seconds. But I know somebody's microwave will take 60 and somebody's will be 45. A little bit of experimentation, but check this out. Water, egg, microwavable bowl, 50 seconds, that's it. And we wait. It's done. Wait till you see how easy this is. Pull it out, slotted spoon, drain it a little bit. I like a little bit of a paper towel paper towel situation. Don't worry about that, it's just the way it did it. But check this out. No wispies, which we all have known wispies. I'm now going to salt it, because that's the way I like my eggs. Ground pepper, and there's always some chili flakes involved. Check this out. A perfect poached egg.